Eddie, what are you doing today?
One-up box.
Opening this month's one-up box, August one-up box. All right, let's get into it.
Okay. First thing we're going to do now is
one at a time.
I am doing one at a time.
Let's see.
What is that?
Ooh, a Leonardo Rip and Spin Battle Warrior. So, let's go ahead and get it open. This is a toy.
What is it supposed to do? Nothing?
Nope, it's like a rip cord. So what you'll do is you take this yellow cord and here's our little Leo, and he comes with these little swords. So this yellow part says that it goes through here, and then you're supposed to be able to pull it out, and then he'll start spinning. So let's go ahead and feed it through again, and then you can pull it out and get it spin. So we're gonna go ahead and take it, and then we're gonna pull this out, and then we're gonna drop him on the table and see if he spins. So he kind of spins a little bit. Let's see one more time. Let's see if we can get him one more time. Doing a little dance. All right, get that one-up box back up here, and let's find something else.
It's much cooler. Yo-yo.
Ooh, a yo-yo. So it's the light-up yo-yo, and it has which character? Who's the orange? Mikey, good job. All right. And on the back, it has Leo. So it's got Mikey on the front, Leo in the back.
Yeah, we already have Leo.
Yep. All right. So, okay, while I'm doing this, you go ahead and work on get something else out.
Okay.
I'll go ahead and get this yo-yo all set up here. What is that? A sticker. Let's see it.
Some kind of person falling down.
Yeah, it looks like a little ninja person guy. And is that the shirt?
Yep.
All right, let's see this one's shirt.
I think it's a... Oh.
Let's see. Okay. So this month's shirt, hold it up, says Super Tacos.
I see. Super Tacos.
Super Tacos, what is that? Super Tacos. So it's got little, oh, look at these little clouds are tacos. Do you see these little taco clouds?
Yeah. Look at it, it's a button.
Kind of looks like Super Mario a little bit. I think that's what it's supposed to be, kind of like Super Mario. All right, let's see what button we got. We got the one-up August 2017 fight button. So this box, this month is the fight box. And we got another sticker. Let's go ahead, let's get out that card so we can see what all this is. All right, so we got the Legend of Hearts sticker. This is that. We also got the SANCTORUM sticker. We got the yo-yo.
Wait, I just saw another yo-yo on here.
Yeah, so you could get one of two yo-yos, either the Ninja Turtle or the Avengers, and we got the Ninja Turtle one. So let's see if this does light up. I didn't roll it all the way up, but let's see if it lights up. No.
Maybe you have to try in the dark.
Let's
try in the dark.
Sun lights up, but I'm not seeing it.
Yes, I want to try in the dark. See.
Well, so we'll try this out in the dark and see if we can eventually get it to light up. It's supposed to light up, that's what it says. So, and then we got our little Ninja Turtle fighter spinning toy.
I want a bad guy this time.
And then our Super Mario's Super Tacos shirt. Alright. So, what was your favorite thing in this month's 1-Up box?
The fighter, the yo-yo, everything.
The fighter, the yo-yo, and the stickers, and the shirt, and everything?
Yeah.
And the button?
His back had to turn.
Yeah, that's part of his spinning part. So in this, it says that when they battle, that they're supposed to knock each other's tops off. We can find some more of these ones at the store and see if we can find somebody for this guy to fight.
Yeah, we need some more Ninja Turtles and more bad guys to fight them.
Yep.
Bye, kids. Please subscribe to About Eddie, and you want more All About Eddie channels. That's leave in the comments down below. Bye, kids. Please subscribe to All About